Chapter 3 of Class 6 Science, Fiber to Fabric, explores the journey of fibers transforming into fabrics, including their types, sources, and processes. Here's a detailed breakdown of each key topic. 1. Types of fibers. Natural fibers come from plants and animals, often chosen for their comfort and breathability. Examples include plant fibers. Cotton, jute, and flax are common plant-based fibers. Cotton is soft and breathable, ideal for warm climates, while jute is durable and used for items like bags and ropes. Animal fibers. Wool and silk are prominent animal fibers. Wool, sourced from animals like sheep, is warm and suitable for cold weather. Silk, obtained from silkworms, is valued for its smooth texture and lustrous appearance. Synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are manufactured from petrochemicals and include materials like nylon, polyester, and acrylic. They are durable, wrinkle-resistant, and dry quickly, making them practical for many applications. However, they lack the breathability of natural fibers, which can be uncomfortable in hot conditions. 72 source, 51 source. 2. Sources of natural fibers. Plant fibers. Cotton. Cotton grows in warm climates and is harvested from cotton plants as fluffy balls called bolls. The cotton is separated from seeds through a process called ginning, which prepares it for spinning into yarn. Jute. Jute is extracted from the stem of the jute plant. After harvesting, the stems are soaked in water to soften, a process known as retting. The fibers are then separated, dried, and processed into jute fabric. Animal fibers. Wool. Wool is obtained from sheep, goats, and other animals. After shearing, the wool is cleaned and processed to remove grease and dirt. Wool fibers are spun into yarn, which can then be woven or knitted into fabrics. Silk. Silk production, called sericulture, involves raising silkworms on mulberry leaves. Silkworms spin cocoons, which are then boiled to unravel the silk threads. This process results in silk, which is prized for its softness and sheen. 72 source. 3. Fiber to fabric process. This section describes the transformation of raw fibers into fabric through several key stages. Spinning. Spinning converts fibers into yarn. This involves twisting the fibers together, which increases their strength. Simple spinning tools, such as the charka and takli, have been used historically, while modern mills use machines to spin large quantities of fiber. Weaving and knitting. In weaving, 2 sets of yarn are interlaced at right angles on a loom to form fabric. This technique produces fabric that is strong and durable. Traditional weaving involves hand looms, but power looms are used in large-scale production. Knitting. Knitting is a process that forms loops of yarn, connecting them to make fabric. Knitted fabrics are generally stretchier and are commonly used in items like sweaters and socks. 32 source. 4. Natural versus synthetic fibers. The chapter contrasts natural and synthetic fibers in terms of comfort, durability, and usage. Natural fibers. These are generally more comfortable and breathable, making them suitable for a variety of climates. However, they may be less durable than synthetic fibers and can shrink or wrinkle more easily. Synthetic fibers. Although they lack the comfort of natural fibers, synthetic fibers are highly durable, quick drying, and cost-effective. They are widely used in activewear, raincoats, and outdoor gear, where durability and water resistance are key. Source 51 source. Questions and answers. Q1. What are the main types of fibers? A1. The main types of fibers are natural fibers from plants and animals, and synthetic fibers, man-made from chemicals. Q2. How is cotton obtained? A2. Cotton is harvested from the cotton plant and separated from seeds using a process called ginning. Q3. What is sericulture? A sericulture is the cultivation of silkworms to produce silk fibers, which are unwound from the cocoon to make silk fabric. Q4. Describe the difference between weaving and knitting. A4. Weaving interlaces 2 sets of yarn at right angles to form fabric, while knitting creates fabric by forming loops of yarn that are interconnected. Q5. What are the advantages of synthetic fibers over natural fibers? A5. Synthetic fibers are durable, quick drying, and resistant to wrinkling, making them suitable for many applications where durability is essential. This chapter provides students with foundational knowledge about the origins of fabrics and the processes involved in textile production, helping them understand the properties and uses of the clothes and materials around them.